Okay, everybody, this is seriously the quickest, easiest craft and so cute. If you have any little chunky puzzle pieces like this, your kids probably have them. Or if you have some little plastic cars or something like this, you're just going to drill a hole all the way through. Beat it, and you have a window sun catcher for indoors. If you use a plastic toy, like for me, since I love mermaids, this little McDonald toy would make a great sun catcher for me. These puzzle pieces are a little bit distressed. I didn't try to distress them. They're just that way from being played with. But it's perfect for the farmhouse look. And then I had these old, whatchamadillies. So I didn't feel the need to paint them because it goes with the old look. I took this bell off of one of these Dollar Tree butterflies. I've got the cow with the bell, a ram with just a big bead at the bottom, a horse. I had 2 beads that I glued together over the string. There's a little horse. I really like this one. Goose and her babies. Just a little bell on the bottom. A pig with a little heart. And a chicken. Rooster. And it was a one-sided bead. So I glued a bunch of glass seed beads on the back. And I'm going to spray a little varnish on them to hold them and give them a little more shine. So that's how easy this project is. Like I said, you could do it with toys or whatever you have. So get to it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.